What's up, everybody? This is Christian here. Today we're doing a review of the Texas Chainsaw Massacre 40th anniversary all new 4K digital restoration. As you can see, here is the picture of the box cover art, and it's kind of like a hybrid with Leatherface in the front with the house behind everything. It looks really cool. As you can see, we'll take a look. 40th anniversary Texas Chainsaw Massacre. Let's take a look at the back. The most horrifying motion picture I have ever seen. Rex Reed. Here's the bio. You guys want to pause that? Go ahead and read it. Here's the Fork feature commentaries. Writer, producer, director Toby Hooper. You guys can read that if you want. As you guys can see, it's got the same look as the slipcover, which is fine. Nice and simple. No complaints on this thing. It looks really great. As you can see, the disc has Leatherface on it. It looks really great. And let's see something. Girl, when she's going in. So that's pretty neat. Yeah, it's awesome, guys. And the picture does look awesome. I gotta say, I was hesitant about it, but I love it. I think it looks great. But that's my review, guys, for the 40th anniversary Texas Chainsaw Massacre Blu-ray.